Mastering pronouns in non-defining relative clauses. Make your English sound natural. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another video in our intermediate grammar series. Today, we're delving deeper into the world of relative clauses, specifically non-defining relative clauses, with a focus on the use of pronouns within them. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this concept and how to use it to enhance your English conversation skills. Before we dive into pronouns, let's revisit the concept of non-defining relative clauses. These are segments of a sentence that provide extra information about someone or something mentioned in the sentence, but this information is not essential to understanding the sentence. In writing, they are typically enclosed within commas. For example, consider this sentence. The car, which is red, is parked outside. Here, which is red, is the non-defining relative clause. The car would still be parked outside even if we didn't know it was red. Now, let's understand the role of pronouns. In non-defining relative clauses, we often use pronouns such as who, which, whose, where, and when. These pronouns replace a noun, or a part of the sentence, and connect the main clause to the relative clause. Remember, in non-defining clauses, these pronouns cannot be omitted. Let's move to some examples to see how pronouns work in non-defining relative clauses. 1. My sister, who lives in France, is a chef. Here, who is the pronoun replacing my sister in the non-defining relative clause. 2. My dog, whose tail is always wagging, loves to play fetch. In this sentence, whose is the pronoun that shows possession in the non-defining relative clause. 3. My favorite restaurant, where we ate last night, has the best pasta. Here, where is the pronoun replacing my favorite restaurant. 4. The summer, when the days are longest, is my favorite season. In this case, when is the pronoun referring to the summer. 5. This book, which I finished yesterday, was very interesting. In this sentence, which is the pronoun replacing this book. Each of these pronouns serves to create a link between the main sentence and the extra, non-essential information provided. And that wraps up our session on pronouns in non-defining relative clauses. I hope this video helped clarify how and when to use these pronouns to make your English sound more natural and fluent. Remember, practice is key when learning a new grammar concept, so try using these in your conversations or writings. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!